Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to feed the dolphin in Heartopia Call of Whales event. Okay, let's get into it guys. The dolphin is a new animal from Call of Whales event in Heartopia. And first, you need to find the dolphin's trough. You can use this menu if you want to track the trough. Okay, I have already tracked the trough, and the dolphin's trough is here guys, at the whale fall. Okay, it's right here. Let me show you on the map. All right, and then you're going to fill the trough with the dolphin's food. I'm going to feed the dolphin with my strawberry. Okay, and the dolphin is coming. You can see the dolphin around this area guys, so just explore this area to meet the dolphin. Once you find the dolphin, you're going to interact with it. Oops, it's moving. Hold on. Okay, I'm trying to interact with this dolphin, but yeah, we need struggle guys. It's not easy to interact. Okay, tap on this menu and you're going to click on feed menu. Okay, and okay guys, that's how you can feed the dolphin in Heartopia Call of Whales event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.